Hey guys, welcome to ITPK. Recently, alarming headlines claimed that Gmail suffered a massive breach. Did your Gmail account get hacked too? Let's dive into what really happened. So, here is what we know there was no breach of Gmail itself. Instead, a Salesforce database used by Google was targeted a social engineering attack by the hacker group known as Shiny Hunters. They tricked a Google employee into installing malware which allowed them to steal business related data like names and emails, not the Gmail password or personal account details. Even though there was no Gmail data leaks, stolen business contact information is now being used to craft highly convincing phishing and wishing scams, where attackers impersonate Google to trick you into revealing your login details. Despite our viral claims, Google did not send an emergency alert to all Gmail users and no such directive was issued. Those reports are misleading. Still, because phishing risks are higher, Google advises you to enable two-factor authentication via an authenticator app or better to use passkeys. Never give your password or click links from unsolicited calls or emails. Google will never call you asking for login info. Run a Google security checkup to review your devices, apps, and recent activity. Update password only if it's been compromised or weak. In summary, no Gmail accounts were breached, but the incident has increased phishing threats. Stay alert, strengthen your account security, and ignore sensationalist headline. Your best defense is informed vigilance. So that's it about today's quick video. Share your thoughts in the comments and thanks for watching ITPK.